Barracuda. Hello, Summer. We miss you, baby girl. Hope you're here. But you don't like the beach, right? Ano sabi ni Summer ni today? Uncle, what is this? We miss you, Summer. We love you. Mwah.
Next. And
Better run if you were not breaking through. But actually, I find it very nice to walk along very like super easy. The city is quite small. Yeah, I feel like you don't really need a car to like travel around. You don't need a car. There's less traffic for cars. Yeah, but it's mainly from the outside. Like, I guess not that one of the version of the couple. Except the richest, they go on the way, they still have a car. But on the west side, you don't have any cycling road or anything like that. Yeah. But on the east side, where you have a lot of young people, where there's a lot of like kids of the sport, all about cycling. I like the cycling around the park a bunch. Like you're like on a moped, you're like going. Yeah. And actually, that's why the game works or whatever.
ikaw pa si John ngayon lang ako mga tubig. Ha? Ha? Malusong ni ma'am? May patawag?
Even the more I like tennis better. What's up the best of the practice? Yeah, we live in the city. And now we are in my school, like, we are in the university campus. Yeah. I have a friend was in the university campus. Yeah. So I did my exchange.
Twin Lagoon required to wear a vest. Today is a beautiful day. Hindi masyado sunny. Thank you, Mr. Sun.
I'm gonna do fast.
You're gonna go fast.
Driver for today.
Tapos na po kami nag-lunch. Libre po ang lunch. Pag mag-super ultimate tour kayo sa Coron, masarap ang lunch. Ang lunch natin ay merong pancit, tuna, watermelon, saging, adobo, pinakbet, marami. Lumpia. Right, Di? Wow, ang ganda dito, look. Wow! Tingnan nyo po, ang ganda-ganda po ng Coron.
Kapag nagkakano guys, relax lang sa likod, sandal ang likod.
Kumusta ka dyan sa likod?
Ha?
Kumusta ka?
Okay lang. Ayan o, mga kahoy o.
Ayun ang cave.
Saan yung cave? Sa kabila yung cave.
Sa kabilang cave. Ayun, mini cave.
Saan yung
not anchor on the reef. Correct. Protect the reef.
Cave man yun. Yung punta natin yung cave.
Sige, punta natin ang cave.
Ayan o, sa taas no, bato. Kita nyo guys ang rocks.
Oh, wow. Meron sila dito. Oh, ano ito? Restaurant by the sea. So clear ang tubig. Look at that. Coron is very beautiful. Thank you, Coron. Oh, do not enter. Let's enter. Nandun siguro ang cave. Meron silang restaurant dito siguro by the sea. Parang merong ano oh, bahay. So clear. Sarap ng water. Hindi siya malamig. Kumusta ang pagpapadel mo dyan? Oh, solar. Oh, solar. Tulungan natin siya sa aking mga kamay. Hoy, mini bangka.
Yun yung ano o. Pinakit nila 360.
Saan? Ah,
Kala ko maliit lang na island to. Ba't malaki naman? Paano naging maliit? Ang laki.
malaki din. Malaki. Malako. Look at the water, everyone. Masyadong clean. Makita mo sa ilalim. Ang ganda. Ay, sarap ng tunog ng tubig. Makatulog, makawala ng stress.
Yun yung cave.
Nasaan yung cave?
Ha?
Yun na yung cave doon, di maliit.
Hindi babasok pa tayo sa cave. Ano ganito giagihan natin kanina?
Oo.
Ha?
Oo.
Ano nino?
Oo. Kuya, nawala yung cave. O sige. Ay, ang ganda niyan sa gitna. Mag-picture ako ha.
Yan. Ganito lang?
Pagdating doon sir, yung kahiga kaya kayo.
Oh, okay.
Here we go. Here's the cave. Wow. Ah, right there. Wipe natin. Wipe natin. No, I'm good.
You can live here? Ayaw ni Summer dito.
I know. Summer, I don't think you will like this place. Maybe she will, Dee. What do you think?
Yun.
Summer, baby girl, you like this place, Angel?
Magigatahan. Ayan o.
Baka maano ang ulo ko. Ayun na, see, I told you. Never mind. Wow, see, I told you. Oh my my god. No, we're good. Let's not do that. Okay, we'll turn around, D. That's dangerous. See? He's about to sink now. Hait ba yan na? Yeah. Okay, turning around. It's a cave. Going back. Thank you, Mr. Cave. It's a little bit dangerous. There's not enough space to go through. Huh?
Ikaw may ganito ha, natin na. Kunwari ikaw nag-ano.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's too low.
Ito po ang Coron Hill Lagoon. Ang ganda-ganda po. Ayan po. View point.
Ha? Aha. Ha?
Pwede ikot?
O, daan daw tayo lagi doon. Sige na. Will be good. Ikot, ikot. Sundan natin sila. O, ako na. Ha? Nahina lang, good. Maghiga ka lang. I got you, I got you. No, backward, backward. Backward. Ano mo ng backward? You keep nagapidal ka ng pedal. You have to pa-reverse. Pa-reverse ang ano mo pag mag-brake. Yan. Yan. Sige, backward. No, it's hard enough. It's good. We'll be good. Oh, ako na ba yung handle be?
We're going. Going under the cave.
Oh! Close your eyes. Open your mouth. Nandiyan pala si Jerome eh. Ay! 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 Nakikita ko ng future ko. That's easy.
na dito kasi hindi na siya clear.
Ganun mo han oh. Ganun mo siya oh, maganda.
Sa baba?
Tama lang. Akin na. Maganda siya tignan. Ganun mo lang siya oh. Ganun oh, parang kalahati. So nice. Oh. But it's up to you.
Ayan, ginaano ko ang rope. Yeah. Oh, steady.
Ito pala yun.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Hi, Summer. I hope you like it here, Langga. Do you think Summer would like kayak or no? Yeah, I know she will.
No effort on her behalf.
There's no what?
No effort.
Oh, right. As long as auntie and uncle is there, right? She likes it. As long as there's no blue whale.
Walk carefully down. Be careful when it's wet. It's always wet. Another climbing status. Good for your knees.
Enjoy Coron while your knees are good. Oh, look at that barracuda. Thanks. Thank you.
Sana tayo yun.
Oh, beautiful.
Like Blue Lagoon.
Yes. Wow. Beautiful. Barracuda
So, take a deep breath, relax, and then, you know, Raban.
Barracuda Lake.
Daisy!
One of the most famous lakes in
Daisy,
Coron and in the world.
Bye-bye!
Very beautiful.
Let's go!
Blue Lagoon, no? Beautiful. Ano?
These days are running slow. Sunsets and shores far from home. Headlights are shining on the sea. No place on earth I'd rather be. And I could try to just follow the swell, but I'll never find this anywhere else. Into all those places on the wall, and none come close to this, I'm sure. You try to say the sunrise the same, but tell me, have you ever danced in the rain? And I could try to just follow the swell, but I'll never find this anywhere else. Try to just follow the swell, but I'll never find this anywhere else. I'll never find. These days are running slow. Sunsets and shores far from home. Headlights are shining on the sea. No place on earth I'd rather be. And I could try to just follow the swell, but I'll never find this anywhere else. Into all those places on the wall, and none come close to this, I'm sure. You try to say the sunrise the same, but tell me, have you ever danced in the rain? And I could try to just follow the swell, this anywhere else. And I could try to just follow the sweat, but I'll never find this anywhere else. I'll never find. These days are running slow. Sunsets and shores far from home. Headlights are shining on the sea. No place on earth I'd rather be. And I could try to just follow the swell, but I'll never find this anywhere.